Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Sweet GiggleTales. Today, we travel deep into a magical jungle where trees sing and rivers giggle. And we'll meet a little elephant with a very big heart. Her name is Tina. It was a bright, sunny morning in Jamboree Jungle. Tina, the tiny elephant, stretched her trunk and blinked her big, kind eyes. She flapped her ears and smiled. "Time to explore," she cheered. Then she heard a rustling sound behind the bushes. Rustle, rustle. Tina peeked behind the bushes and saw her friend Raffi the rabbit. His arms were full of carrots and he had tripped. "Oh no," he said, twitching his nose. "I was trying to carry all these for my family. They're too heavy." Tina gently lifted the carrots with her trunk. "I'll help you, Raffi," she smiled. Raffi grinned. "Thanks, Tina. You're the best." And off they went, hopping and trotting together. On the way back, they spotted their sleepy friend Kiki, the koala. "Oh dear," Kiki said, pointing up. "My fruit basket fell from the tree." Tina lifted Kiki up with her trunk, and Raffi bounced around, collecting the fallen fruit. Together, they filled the basket back up with giggles and teamwork. Soon, the three friends sat together under a shady mango tree. They shared juicy fruits, crunchy carrots, and lots of laughter. Kiki yawned happily. "Today was wonderful," Raffi nodded. "All thanks to Tina and her helping trunk." Tina blushed. "We all helped each other. That's what friends do." As the sun set, golden light sparkled through the trees. Tina looked at her friends and smiled. She didn't just feel helpful, she felt happy, because helping others makes hearts feel full. Moral of the story: helping hands make happy hearts and build the strongest friendships.
Thanks for watching Sweet Giggle Tales. We hope you laughed, imagined, and had tons of fun. Come back soon for more magical stories, sweet giggles, and happy endings. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because every giggle counts. Until next time.